much needed multivitamins.
Good morning from Akola. Actually, good afternoon. It's exact 12 o'clock. Today's destination is Jabalpur, which is 9 hours away. So, which means we'll be arriving at 9 p.m. and it's a very late time to arrive, especially when you're going through jungles, forests, tiger reserves, which I think we'll be doing. So the destination is Jabalpur, but because arrival time is 9 p.m, if we have to stop somewhere before that, let's say at around 6:30 or 7, that's exactly what we'll do. Let's go. The hotel that we were staying in was very close to the highway. I wouldn't recommend that hotel, so I didn't even cover it in my videos. But at 12:30 at night, there was really no other option remaining, so we had to stay put for the night. I always forget to reset the trip meter. I think we must have left the hotel about 10 minutes ago, 5 or 6 kilometers, so I have reset the trip now. Yesterday we did 488 kilometers. Today let's see how far we can go. Only 50 kilometers of range remaining. Would be a good idea to tank it up, so I don't have to worry for at least 290 kilometers. Let's get it done. I think the air behind is a little less. जरा मागे भरायचे फक्त 34. That's the toll naka behind us. We've been riding for about half an hour now. I just noticed this weighing bridge. So this is what a weighing bridge looks like for trucks. There seem to be sensors down there, and the whole truck climbs over it. Nice. The highway is fantastic. It's starting to get very hot, so it's time to open the vents. All the jacket vents are open and the zip is a little bit down. That should be enough for ventilation. That's just crazy. Guys, we did 91 kilometers in 1 hour 4 minutes, and the average speed right now is 85 kilometers per hour. That's more like it. Guys, this is prime jungle area. Have a look. A lot of jungle on both sides. Imagine going over this road at night. We were about to do that yesterday before we changed our mind. I had done that once in 2020 I did Pune to Nagpur in one go in 2020. Yeah, I had taken this road at night. I reached Nagpur at 9:45 p.m. That was a crazy experience, and just after the lockdown there was even lesser traffic on the road. That's a dead langur. Sad. Proper jungle area. I remember it was night time when I was going over this road, and I could see the moon above the trees, you know. It was looking amazing, but it was extremely scary also. What's happening? They're changing buses. I think the bus broke down. There are hardly any dhabas on this road, so finally we saw something nice. Kathiawadi restaurant, and they have parking also. Let's park in the shade. Looks good.